we come down the hill. And then we'll go through Spearfish Canyon. Look at the sky today. We have clear skies. Woo! The Spearfish Canyon is beautiful. I gotta apologize for the fluid lookout. People went up there and they couldn't see anything because of all the smoke. Anyway, so we're gonna have beautiful scenery today. And then after you get to the Spearfish Canyon, at Cheyenne Crossing, we get...
there you got a mistake, Carl. It says turn left and you actually turn right.
No, we actually turn left. Okay?
At Cheyenne Crossing?
Yes. At Cheyenne Crossing. Wow. This is the top secret, nobody knows road. That's really cool.
It doesn't exist.
We're sharing all this with you guys. And anyway, so you make a
right and then you make a left.
You make a right and an immediate left.
Yes, it's a Hannah Road.
In the book,
it says make a left.
Speak up, Carl!
What?
Speak up!
Okay. You make a right after Spearfish.
After Cheyenne Crossing.
After Cheyenne Crossing, and then an immediate left. And it's kind of a trick road, and it's a little bit of gravel, not much.
Oh yeah, I've heard that.
And it comes out on the Rochford Road. And then you turn right on the Rochford Road, you go down to...
Am I all you wanted? Am I all you needed? Why do you keep me coming? Why don't you see it? I would go all the way around the world for you. Just give me the time, baby. I'll make sure you